Okay, so we have a rectangle A. Uh, so let's draw it. Let's call this side is X and this Y by Y. And let A be the area of this rectangle. So from the problem, we understand that the sides and the area of, so the area of the rectangle is changing in time. Okay. So let's first write the formula for the area. Area is x times y. And here, x is a function of t and y is a function of t. They are both changing with respect to time. So the area is also a function of t. Okay? So the problem is asking us to find the rate of change of a. Uh, so we use the product rule, which says that this is equal to dx over dt times y plus x times dy over dt. Now we are given, so we can call any side by x and the other one by y. So let's say the side with length 10 centimeter as x. So it is increasing, right, at a rate of 2 centimeter per second. So this is dx over dt, which is 2. And the other side is 8 centimeters, so this is 8. And what else? X is 10 centimeters, so this is 10. And dy over dt is, it's decreasing, so it will be negative 3. Okay, so this is 2 times 8 plus 10 times minus 3. And if we compute this, we get minus 14.